Hello everyone, my name is Iman Javadi. In this session I want to speak about an event which is called OnChange, and we wanna create a function when you click on a select tag, an option of select tag. This function will be executed, and I believe that this event, which is called OnChange, is used in every tag a lot. For this reason, I decided to teach you how to use OnChange on every tag. But this session, I prefer to create or to work on this event for a tag which is called select tag, because you use select tag in every project a lot. For this reason, I've decided to use OnChange event on select tag. It's supposed for our scenario. It's supposed that we have a school, and this school has some classes, and every class has some students. Then we need to create two tags. The first tag is for classes and second tag is for students. If you let me, I can write this tag, but before we have to create a simple front by Bootstrap. I write speedly a front, simple front. Container y and y. I can set a border for that. Here you have to add div with a class row. After that, you have to define a class for column, for example called fix. Here you have to define a class or set a class control for group. Yes, you can define a label. Example, you can write here class name. Here you have to write a select tag. Select, and you have to set the ID for this tag. Example S1. For control, yes, but this tag has, for example, two options. Option 1, C1, it means class 1, and option 2, C3, option C. Class 2. Guys, please note that it's recommended to be use this select tag for everywhere you need to you need to select select the item. We're gonna other select, but in another group, for group div plus for group and define a label. Here you can write student name. Yes. Here once again you have to write a select ID, for example student. You can write a class for this select yes. I think the front was created and now we can run it. Yes. Yes. You can see we have to select, one select for class name and two select for student name, and we wanna then click on C1. All students which are related to C1 will be shown in student name, and when you click on C2, all students who are related to C2 will be shown in this select tag. Yes. For this reason, first I have to define a OnChange event, and I can write a function, define a function. Fn, for example, fn show student. Yes, we go to JavaScript file. Here you can write this function. Function fn show student. Yes, fn show student. I define a variable which is related to select tag, which is called classes. Yes, class name equal document that query select document that query select this one that value let we can define a variable which is for student tag. It's a student select tag. Student document that query selector yes. here if class name. I mean, when you click on select tag, which is called class name, and class name equal value of class name is equal, for example, C1. Please show in the student select tag. Student tag inner HTML. Option. For example, when you click on C1, this class has some students whose name are, for example, Jack, for example, Kathy, yes, and else when you click on another class, for example C2, all students who will be shown on a student tag or a student select tag are, I can write student tag inner HTML equal option rows. And for example, option and read. Yes, I think it's finished. But we're gonna to check that. Yes. Now we wanna click on C1 and all students which are related to C1 will be shown in student select tag. Yes, Rose and Henry. You can see Rose and Henry which are related to C2, and if I click on C1, yes, C1, no. Guys, you can see when I click on C1, nothing will be shown, and this is a bug. We're gonna to fix that. Class name equal C1 class name, yes. Excuse me, this ID is S1, no class name, yes, it's S1, that value C1, C is upper. Yes, once again I check that. Yes, you can see when you click on C1, you can see Jack and Kathy, and if you click on C2, you can see Rose and Henry. Guys, this one a session about OnChange event. And how to write a function for OnChange event in select tag. But in next session, I explained about another event which you can use them for every tag HTML, and this event are very, very important in programming, front end. Thank you. Bye.